Miller tool is the top choice in wire and cable preparation tools. The Miller CFS-3 tool is designed to remove fiber jackets and to strip the 900 micron tight buffer down to the 250 micron fiber acrylate. In addition, the CFS-3 removes the 250 micron acrylate from the 125 micron bare fiber. To begin, grasp the ergonomic CFS-3 handle firmly and close the largest notch around the jacket. Then strip off the jacket material. Using a Kevlar cutter, cut the Kevlar strength members. Ripley offers a variety of Miller Kevlar cutters, such as the FOKC, KS-1, 86½ SF, and KC-699, all of which provide a positive cutting action of the Kevlar fibers in all fiber optic cables. Use the middle notch on the CFS-3 to strip the 900 micron tight buffer down to the 250 micron acrylate. Then, use the smallest notch to remove the 250 micron acrylate from the 125 micron bare fiber. Always make sure the fiber stripping notches are clean and clear of debris. Any debris on the tool can potentially break the fiber. Use Miller FS400 bifurcated foam tip swipes or a soft bristle brush to clean the tool.
Ripley's KS-1 Kevlar shears are ideal for cutting Kevlar strength members found in fiber optic cable construction. One micro-serrated blade made from high-carbon molybdenum and vanadium steel reduces slippage for positive cutting action.
Find out more at Vicom's website.